Hey there, I'm Stevie from FigMayo, and I'll show you how to add page and section descriptions to your FigMayo site. So you can see I'm on my buttons page, and I have a page description at the top, and I have a section for buttons dark, and within that I have my primary, secondary, tertiary icon components, and this section has a description here as well. And then for my primary button, I have a note that is attached underneath. So all of these elements are added from the Figma library itself. So let's head over there and see how it's done. So this is the Figma library that I've used to create that FigMayo site. And you can see that my page description is over here. So adding this in is dead simple. So all this is a text layer that's dropped directly onto the page here. So this doesn't sit within a group or a frame. It's just added to the page itself, and I've given it the magic layer name $fmdoc over here. This essentially tags it for us, so we know to use this as your page description. You can add any links to this as well using Figma's link capability, and then we'll render that as a link on your FigMayo site too. Really simple. So my section description for buttons dark is over here. So you can see I have my buttons dark frame. So let's click onto the section description. And again, this is just a text layer that's been dropped into the buttons dark frame and is given the exact same layer, magic layer name, $fmdoc. And we know then to use this as the section description. Really simple. And finally, you can see my primary button component within this frame as well. If we open up Figma's component configuration panel, you can see I've got my description in there. So anything that's added in there will get added as a note on your FigMayo site. So last thing to note is that for any of these changes to be picked up, you need to publish your Figma library first. And then once that's done, just resync it with your FigMayo site. So going over that again, we have our page description added, we have our section description added, and we have the notes that were attached to your our button component added as well. So all of these elements will just let you add some more context to your design system and components and flesh everything out with a bit more documentation. That's it. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.